It's a river. Across the end of our driveway. Oh my goodness. We are about to be Adventure Island soon because massive flooding. Of course, the streams of water are coming across our lane. They are also filling up the fields, and down the road they are crossing over the road. I want to cross over and show you the lake on the other side, but oh my word, yeah, that's pretty serious. Oh my word. Oh, lakefront property. Didn't see that one coming. Oh my goodness. I have never seen water over the road. Yep. It's nice weather though. You can see where it's been over the road here at the end of our lane with all the debris in the road. Oh my goodness, it goes on and on. Oh.
Yeah. The airfield's taking on more water than ours. Babbling brook pattern.
Yeah. Oh, dinosaur, stay at the house.
Don't follow me.
Well, they heard that spring came today, all in one fell swoop, and we have a lake for them to hang out at now. You can hear the semis slowing down on the highway over there and going through the water. Turn around, don't drown. We still have this much snow. Ew, bad. Our snowblower paths are now rivers. So I'm gonna have to take the long way around. Oh, there's still so much snow. Oh my goodness. Maybe you can hear. That's the highway that runs parallel to our homestead. You can hear them driving through the water. That is not a good idea. Oh. DOT, I'm guessing. Putting up more signs. Maybe they're closing the road. Oh, the people just keep driving over the water. Oh, this fog is not good either because people are driving through the fog and not realizing that there's water over the road, and then they are in the drink before they realize it. So not good. I'm guessing that they're closing it. Because the semis are driving through there way too fast. And they hit the water with such speed. Oh no, see, there's somebody trying to drive past. Oh. Is it down to one lane or is it all the way closed? I don't know. Ay. But hey, I could be an optimist. Look, there's part of my planter. Isn't that great? Yay. And while I am an optimist, I'm also a realist, and that is why we worked really hard last weekend to make sure that things were up off of the floor, because we are in fact getting water in our basement already.